An inner state is then attained where there is nothing to trigger irrational and uncontrollable emotions, feelings, or thoughts. No one can push your buttons because you no longer have buttons to push. You become free and liberated. Imagine being supremely confident, but not arrogant or conceited. Imagine having such total knowingness that you never need to be affirmed or validated by anyone. Imagine never feeling the need to convince anyone or prove anything. Think about never needing to argue or debate anyone about anything. Dream about never having the need to feel respected, never needing to be understood, never needing to be recognized or given credit for something you did. Imagine never being affected by what someone says or does to you or doesn't say or do. Imagine having total clarity and certainty, but remaining completely humble, while at the same time never having any doubts, fears, or worries about anything. Dream about always feeling joy inside and never being affected by external conditions, situations, events, people, or circumstances. Imagine being amused by everything and everyone while always having an inner laugh and smile. For you actually see everyone and everything as simply an expression and extension of the one universal consciousness that is all that is. And everything in life is just a play of that one universal consciousness.